Make safety automatic in your gymnasium with Hussey's new auto-rotating center aisle rails. Hussey's breakthrough center handrail design ensures your patrons will always find a secure handhold while moving up or down the aisles, while dramatically reducing the labor of properly opening or closing your gym bleacher. This patent-pending rail is permanently mounted to the bleacher and automatically rotates to the proper open or closed position as you operate the bleacher with the push of a button. No tools, no labor, no more missing or improperly positioned rails, and no more compromise. This is a truly safe closed-loop rail design that won't run the risk of catching purses or book bags that could lead to a loss of balance or worse. It's a properly positioned inline center aisle every time, with no offsets or staggers required for proper storage.